Yo, it's Mnemonic, and it's also 6 in the morning. I feel a little stuffy, not just in my nose, but in my head too. You know that creative spark that I've been talking about? I'm looking around and I don't find it anywhere. I know I put it around here somewhere. Now's a better time than ever to deal with it and just make some music, because that's what you gotta do. That is what we'll do. First things first. I didn't spill a drop. That hardly ever happens. Cheers. Ooh, that never gets old. It also encourages creativity. Back in the attic, one day it was raining and I recorded some acoustic guitar. This one, I think it has potential. Yes. Chop here, chop there, chop there, and raw butter. That's not it. I was beginning to doubt myself there for a second. That happens from time to time. I can't give you all the sauce, but configuring the guitars in such a pattern became this. Oh, hold on, you have to you have to play it. Chippity chops, man. I love chopped acoustic stuff. Piano, guitar, cello. I have the longer sustained notes chopped up a little bit, then I pitched those up an octave, but I didn't time stretch them all, so when you pitch things up, they get shorter, and I left some of the slides so you get that timbre of someone actually playing the guitar, the sounds of the fretboard and the strings, etc. This is where it's easy to get stuck, because now that you have this, that's kind of cool, it's like, what do you do with it? Oh, as you can tell, the excitement is building up. I was gonna enter Simon Servita's contest. I tried working on it. I just was not feeling it. I think the main reason I was doing it is like, maybe I could win and then I would get featured and I would get more views and subscribers and numbers. So that was just a bad intention to do something creative. If it's solely for the point of, oh, maybe I'll get famous with this, I think that's stupid. I will not be partaking in the festivities, but I will be using the sounds from his sample pack that is free. The kicks all sound like they've been washed in mud. Let me drag one out. Let's see here. Yeah, that one's like, brr. How's this one sound? Okay, I like that one. I feel like this one should be like that. Pumping through it. And then the claps in this, I really like the claps. Servita clap 1, 2, 3. I like 3 and 2. Put a clappy clap here, a clappy clap there, duplicate the claps. I don't care. This closed hi-hat, that one. That's like the classic trap hat. Trap hat? Ooh! Duplicate, 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 duplicate. Then we'll do some trappy traps. That's what I call them, at least. Right there. Duplicate, duplicate, duplicate. Why is that so cool? Oh, this is all I needed, man. I'm good to go now. I just need an open hi-hat, dog. I have these ones. Too many sounds. Let's see if this sounds good, man. It's almost there. I'm not gonna fret about one sound. It's really too easy to do that. Get caught up in one tiny sound. Let's do a little bit of track organization. This is the kickaroon. The snare, it's not a snare, it's a clap. This is the clappies. And this is the trapeze. Trapeze? No, it's the trappy traps. straight to an 808. Not sure what key we're in. Let me figure that out momentarily. Wub, 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 wub. Let's go up an octave, play it out, see what's happening. How convenient. Simon's samples are in the key of C, at least the 808s. So these all sound like they're erupting from the depths of like Armageddon. Like straight volcano action. But it sounds sick with that happy guitar. Check this out. Transposition. Up an octave. While I try and figure out these 808s, let's say hello to our friends. Oh, hey friends. Astroapophis says, just found you through your ad, and hot damn, you did everything right. LOL, new fan. I replied, hey, I was curious how the ad would work. It's my first time using Google Ads, and I'm testing it out. The gratefulness for you finding me is real. That's right, Mnemonic is stepping up his game with some promoted advertisements. Surin, shout out to Germany, says, very inspiring video as always. Thank you. I replied, that pumps me up. The journey continues. And lastly, maybe a bit of foreshadowing on this one, from the dude Big B, what's up bro, says, perfect timing with this one. Thanks for reminding me what the power of music can do. I replied, even more powerful, what you can do with music. And with his counter argument, what we can do with music. Mnemonic says, looks like a compliment, smells like a collab. The dude Big B replies, laughing, crying emoji, and thinking, pondering emoji. We'll have to wait and see. Back to you. It's always so good to say hello to you guys. If you want to join the conversation, leave a comment below. It's so stupid. Okay, I think I got the 808s cranked up to maximum awesomeness. Oh, wow! Did you hear that? I don't know if you can. I'm gonna add some distortion, give it some color, so you can really understand what's happening right now. Overdrive. Let's get this thing into overdrive. Oh my goodness, that's too much. It's gonna harm the equipment. You don't want to harm your equipment when you're going into overdrive. Do you hear the little wow? Do you know why it goes wow? I'm gonna take a screenshot right now. That's why. Do you see that? Whoa. The guitar was too happy. We had to freaking get mad at it with this eroded 808. It'd be like, shut up, guitar, with your happiness. That's not what life is all about. Sometimes we're angry. We need a synth sound, a synthesizer. So we got the heartwarming acoustic guitar. We have some kicks and some claps. We got the trappy traps. We got the angry 808. Now we need some kind of ambiance to fill the space, and then maybe a melodic element on top of that brings it some charm and speaks to us a little bit more in the feels. Not sure which feels. Instant. Wow, that was the first preset, and that is sweet. When it sounds good and you go, oh my gosh, whoa, like where'd that come from? When it grabs you, when it surprises you, don't hesitate on that. Doesn't matter how simple it is. If it makes you go, damn, that was sick, just roll with it. Ain't no rules to this. I turned the MIDI into audio, okay? I made a video on it. Check it out. Plunge it down right there into the depths. Down an octave, you. Know your place. Wait for it. Why is that so cool to me? That's fantastic. I'm going to use a free plugin. If you don't know about SFZ, it's a file format for virtual instruments. This right here, I don't even know how to pronounce it, for Zando. It's made by Plogu. You can see it on the screen there. I need to go to the bathroom, that's why I'm beginning to talk just a little bit faster. Some chorus. You like that? Gives it some movement. I like that. And reverb. That'd be nice. It's a little cold still. The birds are chirping. Wonderful way to start the day. Like I've said before, creativity is a roller coaster. Sometimes you feel like you have too much of it almost. You have like a brain bursting with ideas. And then other times it dips real low and you can't think of one single note to play on your instrument. In those moments, just start messing with stuff. Just push yourself to do something. Did you see that? My whole attitude shifted. The moment I got something going, you know what I'm talking about. If you make music, when you play that, it's like, because that feeling, when you manifest something from somewhere and you put it out there, it like talks back to you and it says, yeah, you did that. It's pretty cool, right? Yeah. That's because you're cool. Let's end on that. I'm gonna go cook some bacon.